In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your eBay account. Whether you're no longer using eBay or just want a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process efficiently and effectively. First things first, we'll need to navigate over to eBay. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing eBay into the address bar. It's an easy and familiar first step, just as if you were about to start browsing for a new purchase. Once you arrive at the eBay homepage, you're going to want to sign in if you haven't already. This will be important for accessing your personal account settings where we'll make the necessary changes. After you're signed in and ready to proceed, let's head over to your profile page. You'll find the My eBay option at the top right corner of the screen. This is where all your account information is housed, and it's also where you'll find the settings we need to access. So go ahead and click it. This will take you directly to your dashboard, essentially the central hub for all your eBay activities. Next, let's look for the Account Settings section. It might take a second to find, but you'll see it nestled within other useful account management tools. Once you spot Account Settings, click on it. This area is crucial as it contains all the various options and changes you can make to your account, from basic details to more complex preferences. Now that we're in the right place, look for Account Preferences. Within this section, you can find various tabs for making changes to your account and personal information. What we're interested in is an option that says Close Account. Spotting this link is your next task. Clicking on Close Account will initiate the process for shutting down your account permanently. Be sure you're ready to take this step, as closing your account means you won't be able to access your previous purchases, sales, or other account data. When you're sure you're ready to proceed, follow the remaining on-screen instructions. The process will guide you through any final confirmations you'll need to make. This ensures security and that you haven't mistakenly clicked the button. If you follow through with these steps, completing any necessary confirmations, your account will be successfully closed. And that's it. You're done. I hope this was helpful and that everything worked smoothly for you. If you have any other eBay-related questions, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides like this. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.